Join me as I dive into the world of stocks and try to predict if Ocea is about to explode. Can I spot the signs before everyone else? Ocea, a company that's been making waves in its industry, has seen some interesting stock trends lately. Over the past few months, its stock has been on a rollercoaster ride, leaving investors wondering what's next. If you're considering investing in Ocea or just curious about its prospects, you're in the right place. Ocea is facing some tough challenges in the market. The competition is fierce, with several established players vying for market share. Economic factors like inflation and interest rates are also playing a role, making it harder for Ocea to predict its future performance. Additionally, there's the issue of consumer demand, which can be unpredictable and volatile. These factors combined create a complex environment for Ocea to navigate. The company's struggling to maintain its market share, and that's a concern for investors. With so many players in the industry, Ocea needs to innovate and adapt quickly to stay ahead. Economic downturns can also impact consumer spending, which would affect Ocea's revenue. Furthermore, there's the risk of regulatory changes that could impact the industry as a whole. Recent news about Ocea has been mixed, with some positive developments and some negative ones. On the positive side, the company has announced some new partnerships and product launches that could drive growth. However, there are also concerns about its debt levels and cash flow management. Industry trends are also worth considering, with some experts predicting a shift towards more sustainable and eco-friendly products. Ocea's position in this trend is still unclear. Expert opinions on Ocea's stock are divided, with some analysts predicting a significant rise and others warning of potential pitfalls. Some point to the company's strong brand and loyal customer base as reasons for optimism. Others, however, are concerned about the high valuation and potential for a correction. What's clear is that Ocea's stock is highly volatile, and investors need to be cautious. So, what makes me think Ocea's stock may be on the verge of a significant rise? One key factor is the company's innovative product pipeline, which could drive growth and increase its market share. Another factor is the potential for industry consolidation, which could benefit Ocea in the long run. Additionally, some technical indicators suggest that the stock may be due for a breakout. Lastly, Ocea's management team has a proven track record of delivering results. In conclusion, Ocea's stock has potential, but it's not without risks. Based on the analysis, it's clear that the company faces challenges, but it also has opportunities for growth. The future of Ocea's stock is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, it's worth keeping an eye on. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts on Ocea's stock in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my other video on stock analysis, where I dive into another company's potential for growth.